I realized last night that I haven't really given an update on the shop. So as you can see, my miter saw station is done. It's not perfect, but hey, it's going to function the way I need it to. And my Bosch miter saw looks pretty awesome. Been working on a few projects. I am a tall guy, so I added some extra 2x4s on the bottom to raise this thing up. Still got the table saw over here. Thinking about moving the actual table saw itself from where it's sitting over a bit, but leaving the rails where they are. Just giving myself additional space here for cross-cutting and everything else. So, what do you guys think?